Got a door. Who's this?
This is Keisha from uBreakiFix. I'm the district manager.
Yeah, I've got. Excuse
bring
me.
that part back to the store
I
and
can't.
pay the price.
I can't hear. I can't hear you when you're interrupting me. I've got the video of me giving him $118.07.
Absolutely, but that's a Samsung part. It has to be calibrated, sir.
Really?
Yes, or else it won't decrement our system, and we'll be able to attach it to your phone bill, and then that'll look like you're trying to steal from the company.
Well, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what, sweetie. I'll tell you what, sweetie. Hey, I can't hear you when you're interrupting me.
Okay.
So are you done?
The reason why I need to calibrate that phone is because everything is not going to work on that phone, sir.
Tell you what, read the piece of paperwork I left with the dude who said he wasn't going to let me leave with the phone, which is a threat, and I have it recorded.
We just need to run tests on your phone, sir.
No, you don't. Read the... Excuse me.
Okay, I'll just go to the police. I'll just go to the police department and press charges. I have all your information. It will get attached to your phone bill. Thank you.